Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to install FormConnect, the easiest way to manage and share your Google Forms. First, open your browser and search for Google Workspace Marketplace. Click on the official Marketplace link from the search results. Once you're on the Marketplace homepage, head to the search bar and type FormConnect. Select FormConnect from the search results to open its dedicated page. Now, click the Install button to start the installation process. Next, follow the installation prompts. You'll need to grant FormConnect the necessary permissions to access your Google Forms and manage notifications. Click Allow to approve the permissions and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once installed, you'll see a confirmation message. You're all set. FormConnect is now ready to use within Google Forms. Thank you for installing FormConnect. You can now simplify your form management with features like QR code sharing, email notifications, and Slack notifications. To learn more, visit us at your website URL or download FormConnect today from the Google Workspace Marketplace.